Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Miss Nancy. Today, we're going to think really hard and have lots of fun by using our brains in a super smart way. Look at these beautiful oranges. But what do you do with an orange? Well, we know that we always can eat an orange. An orange is juicy and sweet and full of vitamin C, good for our bodies. But let's evaluate some other uses for an orange. To evaluate means that you think about something carefully and decide how good, useful, or fun it is. You explore. Yes. So we can squeeze an orange and make orange juice. Yes. We can peel an orange and use the peel. Place it on a plate to make a nice fragrance in our home. You can use the peel of an orange to create a collage or other artwork. You can use an orange to invent things. You can invent orange-smelling shampoo or orange-flavored toothpaste or orange-smelling body cream or lotion. Let's review. Oranges are used for many things. We can eat an orange. We can squeeze an orange to make delicious orange juice. Yum, yum. We can smell an orange. You can peel an orange to make arts and crafts. You can invent many things with oranges. So, boys and girls, the next time you see an orange, think about things that you can do with it other than eating it. Evaluate and figure out what else you can do with an orange. Remember to be smart thinkers and ask big questions, explore, and have fun. Subscribe to Learning with Miss Nancy.